Withdrawing money from your Kraken account after your account review is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Kraken account by entering your credentials on the Kraken website or app. Make sure your account is verified and in good standing. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Once logged in, go to the funding tab in the main menu. This section allows you to manage your deposits and withdrawals. Step 3. Select Withdraw. In the funding section, look for the Withdraw option. Click on it to view the available withdrawal methods for your account. Step 4. Choose your withdrawal method. Select your preferred withdrawal method from the list provided. Options may include bank transfer, cryptocurrency withdrawal, or other payment methods. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary details. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Review the withdrawal details, including the amount and method. Once everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal. You may need to complete additional security checks such as two-factor authentication. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation and updates regarding your transaction.